Hey guys! Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you one of the cutest and funniest prints I've ever made. Guess what it is? A flexible cat. Yup, a 3D printed kitty that doesn't meow, doesn't ask for food. But it's super fun to play with. So, here's the thing, I've always loved flexible models. Because when you print them, it feels like a little toy is born right out of the printer. No screws, no glue, nothing complicated. Just hit print, wait a few hours, and boom, you've got yourself a brand new fidget toy. Well, that is, if your printer behaves and your filament doesn't throw a tantrum. I found this Flexi Cat file on, and the second I saw it I was like, you can download a simple file, wait a couple of hours, and suddenly you're holding something real in your hands. Like you've just pulled it out of the digital world and brought it into reality. So, here's a question for you. If you had this Flexi Cat, what color would you paint it? Drop your answers in the comments, I really want to know. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh no. I have to print this one. It just looked way too cool, like a mix between a cartoon kitty and a mini robot. So, I started printing. And of course, printing flexi models takes time. This one took around. And while it was printing, I kept sneaking back to check if everything was still okay. Because, you know, 3D printing is always a gamble. Sometimes you get a masterpiece, and sometimes, well, your print decides to turn into modern art halfway through. But luckily, this one turned out perfect. When I popped it off the print bed, oh man. It felt like opening a birthday present. A cute little kitty with a flexible body, ready to wiggle around in my hands. Of course, it was plain at first, no colors. And honestly, it already looked fun, but I wanted to bring it to life a bit more. So, I grabbed my acrylic paints and started painting. I gave the eyes some extra pop to make them more expressive, and for the body I went with white. While painting it, I honestly felt like I was creating a real-life cartoon character. When the paint was dry, guys, the result was awesome. A tiny, colorful cat that looked super fun and was impossible not to play with. Definitely one of those small projects that make you smile every time you see it. And honestly, that's what I love about 3D printing. That way I'll know you guys want more fun little projects like this. And trust me, I've got some really cool prints coming soon. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you in the next video. And remember, real cats are not flexible toys.